Merhaba, hi everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish food recipes. Today we are making one of the traditional and well-known Turkish dessert, Şekerpare. First, I'm gonna make the syrup. In a medium saucepan, I have 3 cups of granulated sugar and 3.5 cups of water. I'm going to mix it until the sugar dissolves, and after the syrup begin to boil, I'm going to cook it in a low heat for about 20 more minutes. Let's make the dough. I have 125 grams of butter at room temperature and 1 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to mix them about 2 minutes until it gets creamy. And after that, I'm adding half cups of vegetable oil. In a small cup, I have 1 whole egg and 1 egg white. I'm gonna keep 1 yolk for topping. So my wet ingredients are mixed well. Now I can put the dry ingredients. I have 3/4 cups of semolina, fine semolina, and 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I will add more when I begin to mix the dough if I need. I also added 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 package of vanilla powder, and half cup roasted ground hazelnuts. After kneading the dough, I used about half more cups flour as I needed. The consistency should be unsticky, pliable, soft dough. I'm gonna show you now. Here you can understand it's a soft dough, pliable as I said. Now it's ready to be shaped. In the meantime, my syrup is ready. It is thicker now. I'm adding about 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and after 1 minute I turn off the heat. So let's shape our şekerpare dough now. Get a piece of dough in about tangerine size or little smaller. First make it round and make an ellipse shape with the help of your palms. Actually, it is easier to understand by watching it, so I'm not gonna talk here. You get many şekerpare desserts with this dough. So in order to put them in a one tray, I had to make a change and rearrange them as you see. You can also use a second tray for the other pieces, but with this way, after it cooks, when they squeeze together, they will soak the syrup better. So I prefer to put them all in one tray. After shaping, I'm just brushing them with a good amount of egg yolk. And don't skip this part, just draw them with a fork, which will give its distinct shape. So I baked my şekerpare dessert in preheated 180 Celsius degree oven until it is golden brown, about 30 to 40 minutes. It's better if you check it about 25 to 30 minutes. As you can see, they look so delicious even now before the syrup. I waited about 5 minutes to get the heat off a bit and then pour the cooled syrup over them. I think this is the best time to watch actually. how beautiful they look. What do you think about it? The şekerpares will soak the syrup in 30 minutes, but it's better if you can wait more or overnight even. Of course, if you have a patience that much, which I don't have, at least for the 1 or 2 piece, because if you try you will see the taste. It's so delicious. It's one of my favorite and my family's too. I sprinkled ground pistachio over it. You can leave it just like this or use ground hazelnuts. I'm very happy to share another Turkish traditional dessert with you. Please leave your lovely comments, especially if you try it. I hope to see you in another Turkish food recipes. Afiyet olsun.